Don't mind the mess in the back because I'm still putting together this room, but I need to put all this makeup away over here. You can't see it, but it's over here, and I want to do a PR unboxing because I have 13 boxes. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Actually 14 boxes because I just found another one. Some I've opened all of them, most of them I've opened, but not a lot of them. I did open like the Lawless, I just put away the Lawless Beauty lipstick and lip liner package and the Caylah Cosmetics. I've been digging in the Caylah packages because that's my favorite brand. Don't hate me, but I love her. I love her products personally. It's like whatever floats your boat. I'm out of breath. I just woke up from a nap. As you can see, this hair is crazy. My hair grew a lot since I've filmed a video before too. So yeah, it needs to be washed. I just woke up from a nap and I have to start cleaning. We moved the last of our stuff over here today. I don't think I'm gonna do an apartment tour because I don't know. I kind of just want to film like actual content instead of doing that. So let's just get into this. First, subscribe to the button down below and don't forget to like this video. Let me know which products out of this video I should try first. So let's just get into it. I have already opened these. I have these 3 shades sitting out for my sister because she's you know, darker. I haven't gotten to try this, but I have like all the shades, which is put away, but I did open this package because I gave my boss one of these and she actually really likes it, and I gave my sister this product from Maybelline. They sent all 6 shades. But anyways, on to the next thing that I already opened. Caylah Gloss Strip. I'm just gonna put a picture of them here, of the new shades. I have all of them here. I put a picture of all the shades here, and then the new ones. They launched 3 new ones for fall, I think. So I'm excited to use these. I have not really gotten to use these like that because of the fact that the last apartment was horrible. It was a blessing, don't get me wrong, but I wasn't comfortable there, and I just didn't feel like filming there. Like I had no motivation or inspiration there. So yeah, thank you for sticking around when you guys did. But these are the shades. Definitely Stop Staring is my favorite, but I'm gonna try these. I'm gonna try a darker one first because I want to do fall makeup looks. Okay, on to the next thing. Okay, I have this one here sitting in front of me from Maybelline. It's the new Maybelline Color Tattoo 24-hour eye stick. I really have been liking eyeshadow sticks. Let me get all these facing the right way so you can see all the colors options. So they're all like, they all look metallic. I really like this mint one, but it's not summertime anymore. So this one is drawing my attention as well. So this is the shade I Am Powerful. Oh, don't tell me they're all inspirational. I am inspired. They are inspirational. That's cute. Okay, so let's swatch one. Long lasting color that's water, crease, and transfer resistant. Oh, this is matte. Dang, it's matte. I didn't think it was gonna be matte. I'm looking like in the mirror right there because I didn't feel like connecting my thing. So, but yeah, let's see. This lighting here is so good. I'm not even using my ring light. Oh, that's really, oh, I can't wait to use this. This is really pretty for 1. For 2, these are buttery, like butter. I'm doing a rose gold one because it wouldn't be me if I didn't do rose gold. And I'm still married. I just ain't wearing my wedding ring, so don't come for me. I know people been scoping people. I'm married. He's cleaning the other apartment right now. I just don't got my ring on because I didn't want to mess it up. I feel like I thought this was rose gold, but I feel like it's pink. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, yeah, you definitely gotta try these, y'all. Ooh, waterline pop of color. Yeah, these are good. I don't know how they wear, but these are gonna be good. Let's do this one from Pixi because I really wanted to use this last night. I love sleeping with my eye mask. So we got this Pixi, like, it's like a dreamy collection. We got some dreamy eye patches, which I love their eye patches. Pixi has really good eye patches. Look how cute this is. This will not stay for nothing, but look how cute this is. They always have the best. You know, Pixi was my first company that put me on their PR. So like, I don't know, every time I get a Pixi package, it means so much to me. But anyways, because I feel like they saw, I'm really out of breath. They saw potential in me. But these are the dreamy eye patches, replenishing PM patches. They calm and replenish your under eyes with vitamin A and jasmine to soothe and nourish, with chamomile, lavender, and lavender to calm skin. So they're just like night patches. And then we have, I really want to use this because I really loved the glow mist. When Like I have a video on here that like, it was like one of my first YouTube videos talking, and I was obsessed with the glow mist. We're gonna try to use this Dreamy Mist. It's with jasmine and lavender. Well, I guess it makes sense, lavender. But we're gonna try to use this at night. My husband's gonna hate me because I have so much boxes. Look at this, isn't this so cute? It's a silk eye mask, but this one's custom. It says Michaela's getting ready to glow. It's so perfect. I'm not used to the noises this house makes. Like, you know, like, I don't know. I'm just not used to the noises this house makes, bro. Like, I'd be looking around the corner and stuff. Like, and I'm home alone for the first time. From Naturium, this is their Phyto Glow Lip Balm. How cute. This is their Phyto Lip Balm, which I have been wanting to try. I didn't try this like on purpose. It has shea and kapuka butter. I don't know, and plant squalene, leaving lips soft and smooth. Okay, so we got shade. This is shade Hibiscus, Spritz, Goji, which is like one of the ones I really want to try, and so is Plum. So we're gonna swatch. We're gonna just see how they look. How cute. I love that the whole package is like the shade that it is. And it comes with these applicators. Bruh, I might fall in love. Come out. It's not thick. It's just been sitting in the cold, and it's really stiff. Like, look at this. But that's a pretty color. So it looks like that at the bottom. That's really cute. It's super thick. She thick. Like, look, like she is thick. So I might need to warm these up with my hands before I even use these, because yeah. We got my favorite from Kylie Skin. I've already opened this because I gave one to my boss, but I had to, like, you know, I think one is missing already because I gave it to her. I gave her pomegranate, which I have somewhere in here. I'm not sure where, but I love the Kylie lip oils. They're my favorite, and I didn't have coconut or watermelon, and I have this passion fruit is my favorite, but I carry strawberry around with me all the time. So let's put on some coconut. Like, I love these. These are like probably, in my opinion, the best Kylie Skin products. Oh, we're down here. But I really love these. Like, I can put this on all day. Ah, I smell like coconut. It makes me want to go to the pool. I can go to the pool here without feeling disgusting. Our last place, the pool, was like disgusting. So I was wondering, I was like, I didn't get this. How did everybody get this? I didn't open it. That's why. This is the FanFast mascara, so you know a video on this mascara is coming soon. Okay, another one from Pixie. This is this. This is the Brighten. It says Brighten Up. It says this is the Vitamin C Capsule Care Brightening Face Serum. It comes in little capsules, which I really like those. They're perfect for travel and on the go. They boost, energize. Oh, these complex boosters energize and nourish your skin. You know what vitamin C does? It brightens your skin. It makes your skin less smooth. Yada yada yada. And they come in these little cute little capsules. I really love stuff like this. Like, I remember I had one from another brand and I was in love with it. So definitely going to come in handy when we start traveling again. This is another Naturium package. Ooh, I forgot about these. So these are illuminating eye creams. So they come in 2 different shades. And one's like a peachy color and one's like yellow. And I'm really excited for these. These are gonna be so good before I do my makeup. They look like this. Well, the packaging looks like this. So if you want to pause it to read it, you can. I'm trying to zoom through these so I can get to cleaning. And there we go. But we got two, we got both. One is shade medium deep and one is shade light medium. This is medium deep. It doesn't smell like anything. I should have known that because Naturium does not smell like anything, honestly. She's thick, but she's very like water-based creamy. So yeah, I'm excited to try these under my makeup because I feel like, I don't know, I can use one for brightening in here and then one for color correcting here. I don't know. We gonna see. We gonna try these out. And also, y'all follow me on TikTok because I've been very active on there, and I'm actually part of the TikTok lifestyle program, and I joined, like, kind of, if you want to see management, I have management now, so for TikTok shop. So yeah, definitely follow me on there. I'll link it down below. I know what this is. I looked at it. I went all through it. I love Alice in Wonderland, and my goddaughter is named Anastasia. It's Anastasia and Alice in Wonderland mixed together. But I gave my sister the mirror. I don't know if she has it, but like, this is done very well. I didn't even use the Care Bear collection because I couldn't film with it, and it's not sold anymore. So hopefully this is sold so I can film with it. If not, we just gonna play in it because look at this. Especially these palettes right here. These little, I love stuff like that. My husband was excited for this one. It's Pacifica, and it's the future proof your skin. Oh wait, how does it come out? Oh, there we go. It's the Future Youth collection. Comes with a foaming face gel, gravity rebound serum, time shift eye serum, and a daily turnaround hydrating moisturizer with SPF 50. Like, I want you guys to see how cute this packaging is. Like, look at this. This is the eye serum. Like, how cute is this? Like, it's super cute. This is the Forget the Filler Skin Plumping Line Smoothing Perfecting Cream. I actually was very much so. Look how cute and pretty she is. Like, I love her. But this is Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Pumping Mask. This is my favorite thing. I have like so many of them, so I can't get this out right now. And this is the Forget the Filler Skin Smoothing. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I love Lawless. Like, I feel like they don't get enough hype. If you want to read it, there you go. Oh, I gave my boss one of these, so one is actually 100% missing, and she actually reordered these, so I definitely got to try them out. They're the no glue needed falscara type falsies, so press on falsies. And yeah, my boss took the natural ones because they were too short for me, and she actually repurchased them. So I guess they're good, so I gotta try them. Oh, this is so cute. I remember this. I really love the Prismatic Pop highlighter palette, and they sent a blush over with some lip gloss, and I have every single one of these, I think, almost. I need to use these, so this is definitely gonna be shown in the video. And then this cute little hair clip that says Pop. And then peach slices with the products. This is an oil control collection. Between this collection, I've been eyeballing this and I have not used it. And I've been so proud of myself. Like, look how cute this is. So it comes with a oil control mattifying moisturizer. If I can find something to replace my Laura Mercier one, that's for like that's on a budget. If it does what the Laura Mercier one does, I'm switching. The oil control pore serum. This might be a good morning routine for me because throughout the day my skin be getting oily. Oil control balancing mist, niacinamide deep pine bark and green tea, and the oil control balancing cleanser with the same ingredients. We're definitely gonna try that out. Okay, Lottie London sent me this over, and I really am excited to try one of these. Actually, I'm excited to try all of these. For one, look at this bubble tea primer. It's a hydrating primer. Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? This, I think I've seen someone use this. This is a black blush. It's pH cream color changing blush. So we're gonna try this. It's in the shade Onyx. This is TikTok video next on this. I'm probably gonna film some makeup next weekend. I made my husband take off and I took off just to enjoy our house and to be able to like relax and do things that we love. Like, he can do Forex and I can do like makeup looks all day. Like, I feel like, and then go to the pool, start like going to the gym. We actually got a walking pad too. This is glossed. This is Smile Bright Clear Gloss Oil, but it looks freaking blue, don't it? It's glue. Maybe like makes your teeth appear whiter. I don't know. We're gonna try this out too. And then we got the Cheeky Glow Illuminizers, which, dang, I wish I would have seen this because Shanisa, this would look so good on Shanisa. Her skin is popping right now. Shade Golden Glaze Rose Bubbles. We got Peach Bellini, which You know how I feel about peach highlights. And this is Champagne Drip. I'm not gonna swatch it because I don't feel like messing it up yet. But yeah, that is some of the PR that I've gotten. I do have like this whole big bag of makeup that I haven't tried. Ciate London's Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. Ciate London Fierce Wing Glow. This new eyeliner from Maybelline. I was supposed to review this a long time ago, but the Amy Cole Brow Brand at Sephora. Make Me Blush Velvet Blush from Lawless. These Ciate, I have so many of these Ciate London 9-pan palettes, and they're like perfect, so I'm gonna review these. Revolution Blush Bombs. We unboxed it, now I can throw these boxes away. And thank you guys for, you know, coming along with me unboxing these 15 packages. And yeah, let me know what I should use first and review first. Definitely go on TikTok because I've been loving posting shorts and TikTok videos, like reviewing products with voiceovers. So yeah, all right, I'll see you in the next video.